a number. Number 1, what is number 1?
Bubble.
Very good, Michael. What is number 2?
Lollipop. Lollipop.
Number 3?
Pot. Flower pot. Pot.
Mia, why don't you test us? You give us a test. Okay, so you say 1, 2, or 3. Ready? Go.
2. Lollipop. 3. Flower pot. 1. Bubble. 1. Bubble. 1. Bubble. 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 Bubble.
Good job, Michael. Good job, Mia. Okay, now let's switch. Michael, you say 1, 2, or 3, and then Mia will tell you the name, okay?
Okay.
Ready? Go.
2. Lollipop. 3. Flower pot. 3. Flower pot. 1. Bubble.
Good job. Very good, both of you. So let's learn to sing this song. Bubble and a dot. Bubble and a dot. Then you stand a lollipop. Make a flower pot.
Doraemon. Doraemon.
Make a flower pot. Ooh. Let's try it together. All of us. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Bubble and a dot. Bubble and a dot. Then you stand a lollipop and make a flower pot. And make a flower pot. Can you tell me what is a cherry? Good. What color is a cherry?
Red color.
Okay.
So beautiful.
A cherry. Ooh, cherry. Do you know what is a UFO? What is number 6?
A bun.
A bun. Very good. What kind of bun?
A bun.
Hamburger. Hamburger bun. Again, let's test you too. Ready? What is number 4?
Cherry.
Good job. Number 5.
UFO. UFO. UFO.
6.
Hamburger bun.
Good. Hamburger bun.
Hamburger bun.
Hamburger bun.
Hamburger bun.
It's bun.
Bun.
Yes, like bunny. Very good. We'll sing the next part of the song. Are you ready? Right cherries, 2 cherries. UFO flies to the left, to the right, and then goes down. Ooh. Hit the ground and become hamburger buns.
So cute, so cute.
So I draw a pocket, and then a mouth too,
So happy.
and then whiskers.
1, 2, 3. 1. He said 2. He said 3. Bubble and a dot, bubble and a dot. Then you send a lollipop and make a flower pot. And make a flower pot. 1 cherry, 2 cherry. UFO to the left, to the right, and become hamburger bun. Bubble and a dot, bubble and a dot. Then you see my lollipop and make a flower pot. And make a flower pot. 1 cherry, 2 cherry. UFO fly to the left, to the right, and throw it down, hit the ground, and become hamburger bun.
Oh.